So when you are talking of security, the government should sit down now and make sure they do the needful to the people. The wish of the people is very, very important. Listen to the people. Look at this issue of protesters. Assuming they allow this young, promising youth to continue this protest for a period of 3-4 weeks, peacefully, they will think otherwise. Let us choose a leader to negotiate for us. They will be tired. But they started this ugly mood by burning a station in Orile. Is it the protester that burned that station? It's the auction that the politician gave money to go and burn it, so that they can have an opportunity to declare coffee.
Well,
and they declare coffee within 4 hours, 5 hours of declaring that.
That's a serious allegation which can be proven, because you just said they gave money to politicians, gave money to people to go and burn. I just wanted to correct that. I hope you can hear me.
It's wicked. It's uncalled for.
Well, I hope you can hear me. I was just saying what you said there is a serious, very serious allegation that has to be proven, because before you can say that, what you were saying that politicians give money to people to go and burn, to go and burn a station.
How so?
Do you have my brother? Come again. You call me for this interview. Do you have any protester in Orile before the station was being burned?
All right, let's go on to some.
Do you have any protester in Orile before the station was being burned? The burning of Orile station was the #1 excuse to bring coffee to Lagos State. So we have to tell ourselves the truth, and we have to learn lesson from our mistake. We have children. We have children.